Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the best AI tool to skyrocket your academic rating using Cramly AI. And right now, this is going to be the link to get into this website. So that will be www.cramly.ai. And with this one, this should be the landing page you should be seeing on your end also. By the way guys, Cramly is made specifically for students and professionals. Now what it does is, it can help you content inspiration, multiple choices answers for mathematics equations, or even write a cover letter for an internship at Goldman Sachs. So these are gonna be the prices. So there is a free trial that was gonna be, I think, limited for 5 questions. After that, you need to avail the paid version. Right now we have the annual, monthly, and lifetime right here. And basically, these are the powered features inside it. You can have long essay assistant up to multiple choice server. So let's get started with this one. By the way guys, I'm just gonna click on sign up and use my dummy Google account to proceed with this one. I'll see you once inside, okay? So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is gonna be what's inside of Cramly AI. It's a pretty simple yet specific user interface. Right now we have divided it to students, professionals, and then you can have a sub-sections for emails, blog, or career. For students, you have writing, STEM, and fun. So let's start with this one. This is the free trial. You can ask 5 free questions. Upgrade to your 1-week free trial for unlimited questions. But if you click on start free trial for this one, you're gonna need to connect a PayPal or Wise account or even a credit card info. For this one, let's just use the free trial features. And then I'm just gonna create a separate video regarding the premium features, okay? So the first thing I'm going to try right now is you can ask Cramly, essay outline, and so much more. I think let's try creating an essay. Of course, if you want to create an essay, might as well go to essay outline, like so. So this is going to be essay outline. It will be divided into 2 sections. Left is going to be where you enter your prompt. Right is going to be your output. Also, before we get started, also click on the settings or just hover your mouse. You're not gonna see this one because they're gonna be on white if you have the light version, but please make sure you include citations and quotes before you get started in everything. Okay? So for the essay outline, write an outline for an essay about global warming. I'm just gonna type this one, paste it right there. I'm just gonna use this topic, and then I can switch templates if I want to. If I want to use a long essay assistance, if I want to multiple choice solver. But for now, I'm going to click on this one, Ask AI. So as you can see, real time, it's now creating an essay for me. And you're going to see the tools around here. You can bold, italize, or even underline. You can even use these options right here. So this is going to be our new essay, where you can edit it real time, like so. Awesome, right? Again guys, this is totally free for now. That is limited for 5 free questions. Now this is as the outline for you. You can simply copy this and then proceed it to your Word document, to your PowerPoint, or even your email. Now let's switch templates. So we already tried essay outline. Now I'm really curious about this one, long essay assistant. To make this work, this is going to be under premium. So if I click on this right now, it will ask me to avail the subscription. So I'm not going to waste your time here. I have a screenshot to what to expect inside the long essay assistance. Basically, it's the same thing as essay outline. So with this one, it just gives you a much more longer essay compared to the essay outline earlier. Same drill guys. Enter your prompt. You can edit it via bold format, italize, and so much more. So please take note about that one, okay? How about let's try this one. I'm curious about multiple choice solver. As you can see right here, it has a question wherein I can just use this one as a sample. Just make sure you preface each option with a letter. So I'm clicking on ask right now, and I'm gonna wait for AI to answer it, which is gonna be Sacramento. Now this is for students who doesn't want to do research on their homework. Now to test the limit here, I have prepared a separate question. Let's try this one. I'm gonna click on ask right now and see if it really works. So here it is. We have letter B for Albany, the capital of New York. Awesome, right? that is going to be the multiple choice solver for you. And now let's try one more for the sake of the discussion. I think it should be around here somewhere. The article summarizer. Basically summarize anything you have here. We already have a sample article. Though if you want, I can just create a new one. Let me just get a sample article for the sake of the discussion. So this is going to be the sample article we have. Let me just copy most of it up to here. Click on copy. And I'll go back on the Cramly. So welcome back to Cramly. I'm just going to place it here. Click on ask and wait for the magic to happen real time. Now it's really awesome how it really is a very quick response. Again guys, if you want to bold the letters right there, please do so. If you want to italize it, again guys, it's very awesome to do so. Let's try coloring it. About this one right here. Awesome, right? And again guys, that is article summarizer for you. And with that being said, for professionals, so please check them out also. For rewriter, this is going to be a paraphrasing tool, which as of now, I already have one question left. So with this one, for the sake of discussion, I'm going to rewrite this sample. Click on rewrite right there. And it's now currently rewriting whatever is in here into a much more better one, which is basically standard. I can make it formal, basic, visionary, but this is already the limit I have for my free trial. Anyway, I can AI check also for plagiarism check right there. That is a pretty awesome tool. And as you can see right here, we have passed it for 50 for perplexity and versusness. Your text is likely to be written entirely by a human. Awesome, right? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.